So, what are email campaigns and why should your business be doing them? In this video, we're going to go into depth exactly what email campaigns are, why you should be doing it, and we're actually going to be providing some real-life screenshot examples of how we've used email campaigns in our own business and in our clients' businesses.
There are so many things I can't control, but the things that I can. The Dick Polipnick Show.
So let's dive right into it. Email campaigns are emails that you're sending out to your email list. Now, in case you don't know what an email list is, or you want to learn how to build an email list, we did another video on email lists. We'll put the link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. But an email campaign is marketing emails that you're sending out to your list, to the list of people who have agreed to receive emails from you. So now this is not typing out an email, typing in the or the subject line each time, writing a personal note, including pictures, and then copy pasting everybody's email into it and sending them all individually 10,000 times, depending on how many people are on your list. This is when you use email software like MailChimp, Aweber, stuff like that. You put your email list in there, whether it's 10,000 or 10 million or 10 people, and you write one email to a generic email that's addressing the entire list, like, hey, everybody, or hey, online growthers, in our case, good morning, loyal customers. And you write a generic email, whether it's a newsletter, like we just want to update you on what's new this month in our company, or if you're doing an email campaign to actually close sales, then you do, hey, check out all this brand new gear in our store. Hey, we're doing a special, buy one, get one free. We're doing couples night at our restaurant. Here is a coupon code. You know what I mean? You want to do some kind of an incentive for them to actually take action on your email. So these people, let's just use the number 10,000. So 10,000 people on your email list. You send out an email. Let's say you're a restaurant. You're doing the couples night. Buy one steak dinner, get the second one 50% off, right? You include the coupon that they can print out on their printer, bring into the restaurant, and actually get the deal. So this is an exclusive deal for people on your email list. Hence the reason people want to be subscribed to your email list, because this deal is not available through the newspaper, through the radio, or for, people who are just regulars. Like, this is only for people on your email list. That's why they like to be a part of it, because they get these exclusive deals. So an email campaign is when you type something like that out and you do it one time and you click send to list, and it sends to all 10,000 people. Now, those 10,000 people, you can choose to, they can reply to, and then that's a huge problem on its own. So what I recommend is to provide them a link if they do have questions, like a phone number to your customer service, to your support staff, or some kind of a link to a chat bot. And that's a whole nother video of, somebody who can answer their questions and do customer support, because you don't want 10,000 people clicking reply and replying to your email. And another strategy for that is you actually use a specific email address with your domain name for your newsletter. So like for online growth systems, we would do newsletter at onlinegrowthsystems.com, or email at onlinegrowthsystems.com, or, something to that nature. So that way they're not replying to my customer service. You know what I mean? So they're dealing with 10,000 emails. So that way, if they do get a reply, you can do an automatic response that says, sorry, we do not check response emails to this. You can check out this link to talk to our automated chatbot, or call this phone number for our customer support. Of course, with Online Growth Systems, our newsletter, our email campaigns, we actually do read and respond to all of ours, but that's just because we're a multifaceted company. We're not just a media and marketing agency. We are also an entrepreneur's community, which is why we respond and read to all those. But not every business wants to do that. Not every business is profitable doing stuff like that. So that's what email marketing campaigns are. I hope you learned something in this video. I hope we answered your questions. And of course, if you have any follow-up questions, you want some more detail, you can contact us, ask us questions. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, and you can do it in the comments below. Otherwise, you can contact us onlinegrowthsystems.com/contact. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to.